In this video, we will be showing how to install RV-Link's next generation RV2480 LTE Wi-Fi router. If your RV is pre-wired for this LTE and Wi-Fi system, locate the stickered ceiling cover plate like the one shown here. The first step is to remove this plate by removing the two screws. Next, carefully cut the cable tie to release the attached power and LTE and Wi-Fi cables from the RV2480 mounting bracket. Be careful that the cables do not go back into the ceiling. Proceed to connect the power cable and the LTE and Wi-Fi cables to the corresponding connection points on the underside of the RV2480. The connections are pinned for easy identification and to ensure proper connection. Alternate making the finger-tight connections to make the space easier to work with. Finally, mount the unit to the ceiling by aligning the slots on the unit to the tabs on the mounting bracket. Insert and slide to lock into place. Refer to supplied manual for LTE and Wi-Fi setup and activation. RV-Link by Magnedyne.